Welcome back to Learn BC. Before we get started, please click like, click subscribe, share the love. Let's get on with it. We're here to talk about the tax business posting group. Now, if you search tax, it's not going to work, right? What I mean by that is Microsoft calls taxation different things in different countries. So in Australia and New Zealand, it's referred to as the GST. Whereas in European countries, you'll see VAT. So let's take a look at the business posting group for tax. Like our previous, the crazy mastermind of postings that we have drawn up for you, we're going to talk now about the tax business posting group. And as you can see here, the tax business posting group. And it comes to life, again, by tagged on the customer card or the vendor card. Okay, so really it will come through a document. And so the document is where you'll be doing a posted sales invoice, you'll be doing a posted purchase invoice, and from here it's going to move through. Now, with exception to it, again, per the other videos, if you're doing a posted invoice journal, a sales invoice journal or a purchase invoice journal. All right, so as we're posting it, it's coming through and it's determining our tax, which is tax collected, tax payable, and allows us to take that up. But again, because this is a complex setup, these three up here, it's coming in combination with the tax product posting groups. So what does this look like in Business Central? Let's go take a look. Being that my system is in Australia, I have a GST business posting group. As you can see here, I have domestic and foreign. So they're my customer or vendor types. If I hit setup, it's now going to come to life and show me a lot more. So let's clear this domestic and let's show everything. So from domestic and foreign or miscellaneous, if the product is an asset or if it's tagged GST 10, GST 15 or import, this is input tax. This is what's going to happen, and it decides not only the taxable amount and the calculation type, but also the account codes where this actually will be sent to on the chart of accounts. So in summary, this is the introduction to the tax business posting groups. Again, remember, you'll see it on your vendor or your customer card. It is important to understand it does not act alone. It acts with the tax product posting group. Thanks again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and keep following us for more updates. Cheers.